Day 4.
Hello people of YouTube and welcome to my last day here in Shanghai, China. So because it's my last day, I don't really have plans at all. So I guess I'm just gonna go back to the Bund and try to take the pictures I didn't take before because of the fog.
One eternity later.
Hello people of YouTube and welcome to my last day here in Shanghai, China. So because this is my last day, I don't really have plans at all. So I guess I'm just gonna go back to the Bund and take the pictures I couldn't take before because of the fog. But since today it's Sunday, right now I'm in the Xujiahui Cathedral, which is the largest Roman Catholic cathedral here in Shanghai. So when I went in, a mass in Chinese was being held, so I just decided not to take pictures or film anything just because I thought that was a little bit disrespectful. So yeah. Right now I'm in the subway station once again because, as I said before, I just want to go back to the Bund and try to take a few photos. But unfortunately, look at that. I'm taking my big backpack with me, so it's gonna be very hard to move around because it's super heavy, unfortunately. So I didn't really want to finish this Shanghai series without showing you guys how the subway map is. So right now we are in here. This is the Xujiahui station and we have to go all the way up to here, Nanjing Road, because around here there's the Bund. And when we arrived at Shanghai, we arrived here at Hongqiao Airport. But now that we're departing to our city, we just have to go to here. This is Pudong Airport. So from Nanjing Road, we have to go to here, which is Longyang Road station, to get the Maglev line, which is the fastest train in the world, and finally arrived at Pudong Airport.
到世纪汇广场11里，请从11号口出站。
And now we're about to take the fastest commercial electric train in the world. To understand how this transport system works, we visited the Macklin Museum located right under the train platform. There, we learned the history and development of this transportation technology. Maglev is short for magnetic levitation, which means that powerful electromagnets are used in order to make these trains float and move forward at extraordinary speed thanks to the lack of friction. With no doubt, getting on a Maglev train will definitely make your Shanghai experience more exciting. So right now we are here, which is Longyang Road station, and we want to get to Pudong Airport. So here we have a distance of 30 kilometers. So because we're taking the Maglev train, we're gonna do that trip in only 8 minutes. Trip that, if we were about to take like a regular car, we would do in 45 minutes. So that's crazy. now I'm here at the platform and the train is about to come any minute. I'm so excited. The train is finally coming. Ho, ho, ho. So I'm finally here at the airport. I've just done my checking and now I'm just waiting for my call. So this is it for my Shanghai series. I had an incredible time here, although it was kind of difficult at first due to the weather. I really couldn't do much, but it got better day by day. So this is it for this video. I really hope you guys like it and please look forward to the next one. Bye bye!